Hello everyone, let me show you how to insert a SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. To do this, you will need the SIM ejector tool, the SIM card and the phone itself. If you don't have the SIM ejector tool, you can use something thin and pointed like paper clip or something else. Next, locate the SIM card tray on the top of the phone and look for a small hole near the edge. That's where you need to insert the SIM ejector tool. Press gently, like this. It's ready, and now you can see a designated spot for SIM card. So align the card so the cut corner matches the shape in the tray, like this. And if you're using two SIM cards, just take another, flip the tray over, and insert the second SIM card in the same way, like this. Just follow the shape. And then carefully insert the tray back to the phone, making sure it's aligned correctly and fits snugly. And you should see the signal indicators for your SIM cards on the screen. If something isn't working, try restarting phone by holding the volume down and power button together for a few seconds, and then choose restart. And now, when you will turn on your phone, you may be required to enter the PIN code for your SIM card, and then you will see the signal indicators of your SIM cards on the screen. If something isn't working, try restarting the phone by holding the volume down and power buttons together, like this. And then select restart. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.